Welcome to Star Technology 5G. In this video, I'll disassemble the microwave oven's magnetron, and we will see what is inside the magnetron. Let's start the video. I have this LG Microwave Magnetron. Today I will try to open this magnetron, and we will see what is inside the magnetron. When you open this magnetron, use caution. Open its casing lock and remove its front cover. That is magnet. Carefully pushed outside. Carefully pushed outside. Cut these two wires. That is a microwave radiator. Here is another magnet. We found two magnets. Now I will open this casing. That is a coil. It is disconnected from here. Now I will open this radiator. A radiator is a small piece of copper pipe. There is only one wire that is located in the middle of the pipe. Other wire is connected with outer side of the pipe. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Star Technology 5G. Please like and share the video.